Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is YouTube thumbnail design. With millions of creators on YouTube, standing out is crucial, and a great thumbnail can make all the difference. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop. Many YouTubers pay $10 to $50 per thumbnail, and some even offer ongoing work for consistent designs. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to YouTubers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Next is podcast editing. With the rise of podcasts, there's a growing demand for editors who can polish audio files. If you enjoy working with sound, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Many podcasters pay $50 to $200 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services to new podcasters or reach out to podcast networks. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is graphic design. From logos to social media posts, businesses need eye-catching visuals to stand out. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity. To get started, build a portfolio with sample projects and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to small businesses or freelancers. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative career. Fourth is Google Ads management. Businesses need experts to run effective ad campaigns, and if you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Google Ads and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Finally, let's talk about t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom t-shirts and sell them online without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose YouTube thumbnail design, podcast editing, graphic design, Google Ads management, or t-shirt design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.